What's happening? Session number one, lesson number one. I want to start from, all the way from the beginning, all the way to the end to help out everyone. I know trading is very, very difficult. And one of the reasons why trading is difficult because everyone wants to make it complex. Okay. Even though trading is very complex, I think when you are trading, you need to make it very simple. Okay, so I'm going to give a perspective from top to bottom for all the beginners and all the experienced traders who need to maybe brush up on some skills and gain some more information that they already have. Cool, but we're going to start all the way from beginner level with a bunch of sessions, all the way to experience level. Okay. Also, my trading has been dialed in. Um, Everyone who knows me know that I've put in the work. This goes to say that if you are coming into this trading world, if you have been trading for a months, couple years, and you haven't seen any success, I think one of the excuse me, one of the most important things is remember when you go to college, okay? Um, College has different levels, right? You have 1 year programs in college or technical schools and things of that nature where you can go to, a 1 year degree school and get a plumber's degree, get an electrician's degree, and that way you can move on to go do other things. You can get a job, okay? A 1 year degree. Now we got 2 years, like associate's degree, right? Where it's a 2 year program. Then we have like a bachelor's degree, okay? Where it's more so it's a 4 year program. And you have like masters, then you have like doctorates. And there, my point to say, do not come into trading thinking that you're not going to get you're going to be successful without none of these degrees or none of these certificates. You get what I'm saying? You have to put in the work the same as if you were going to go to a technical school for 1 year or you're going to go to college or university before you can even get a certificate or associates or a bachelor's or a master's or doctorate, something. You got to put the work in. So the psychology part about this is yes, you can make money, but don't think about money just yet. Learn the skill. Okay. The skill is one of the most important things. I think that you should focus on learning from top to bottom. Okay. So just keep that in mind here while we do these sessions. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment sections. I will do my best to try and answer every single comment that is there. If there are tons and tons of people, I got a couple of people that will help me answer questions and we'll do the best that we can. All right, so now let's just dive into the first session here. This is the first lesson here, and let's just dive into it. About, all right, who controls the market? The average retail trader, you and I, okay, all of our friends and uncles, aunties, uncles, and all that, we have no control over the market, zero control. Okay, people, institutions, clearinghouses, banks, um, those big entities, those are the ones who control the market. Those are the head honchos. Those makes those big moves in the market. So I think that once you have an understanding of that, trading could get 1 point easier for you with that mindset, understanding that, hey, when I enter a trade, I don't control if it's going up or down. Okay. Um, so with that being said, the understanding of well, I guess we could just gold is already here. Let's just look at it, right? If I asked you a question to say to you, what can give you some type of, and you can freeze the video if you like, what can give you any information to say, where do you think the clearinghouses, the banks, and the hedge funds, where do you think they are? What do you think they're doing in the market? What do you think they're controlling? What do you think their admiration is? What do you think their purpose is when trading? Um, and I can say this, right? These guys, also remember this, somebody has to lose, somebody has to win. Okay. The market is set for people to have fake intuitions of going up, fake intuitions of going down. Okay. So somebody has to lose here. New buyers coming into the market, setting them up to go up, and then trying to set them up to go back down. It's the same thing on both sides. So if the market just did a straight line like this, right? The market did a straight line, everybody would be rich, right? That can't happen. So understand why the market makes waves in the market. Okay. So the market goes up. People think that, oh man, it's that because it will come back down. Okay. So the people who are here, there may be some more money that they want to grab, right? And let's take out the people who are greedy here, who made a lot of money here. The banks will take out their money here, right? Get some new buyers, so people who kind of know what's going on, and then move them away here. Okay. Now, these people also may be greedy for long periods of time. Their trades all the way back down. Okay. But my point is that um, the banks are here to move the market very, very quickly to take out the people who do not know where to trade from, or they're just in the wrong spots, or the people who are just lost in the market. So I think that the banks are here to make sure that they wipe you out clean and make you confused. The market is very complex. So this is why when I'm trading, I like to make trading very simple. And one of the other aspects is try to once you learn a strategy, okay, learning how to trade and learning an understanding of the market is two different things. So you can learn everything that I'm going to teach you about market sentiments, right? But having a strategy is two different things. All right. So again, back to my theory on the market, on who controls the market, is the big head honchos. Okay. So let's just circle some of the moves. They take out a lot of stop losses or people who are in areas, and guess what? They move the market away very, very fast. Okay. Look at this. Move it away very fast. Okay. Move away. Wipe out people who had a stop loss here. Move away very fast. Okay. For the people who want to go to $1 million or a million or a gazillion, whatever you want to call it, guess what? The price is made to a high. People are like, oh yeah, it's gonna just hit here and then keep going up. Take their money out. The people who was holding the money here, right? Because in a sense, the market makes higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows. And again, I'm just making this very, very simple here. Okay. So right now, this video is just all about the controlling of the market. Okay. That's all I'm going to cover here, but I'm going to give you a little bit of information of just how the market moves. Okay. So all the people who were holding the trade here, right? The market, because the people think, oh, maybe they invested into gold right here. Okay. Maybe, or maybe they're here or whatever the case may be. Right. But if you're here, right, first of all, let's back up really, really quick. Investment wise, if you're investing gold all the way up here, then that's not a good idea. Okay. you should try to catch gold in a spot like down here to invest in, right? That's a whole nother story. But back to here, right? The market will wipe out these guys here was holding their investments, make them very, very scared to invest. Okay. Then the market will get up here. These people start to invest again. Okay. Oh man, it's I think it's gonna keep going up. I think this, I think that. At some point, do you think gold is just gonna continue going up forever? No, it will. It go down. Okay. And it will bring in new buyers. So my point being is that when the banks step into the market, they wipe out stop losses very quickly, move away. Okay. Very quickly, move away. Very quickly, move away. Very quickly, move away. Okay. And they're all over the place. For everybody, this was bearish at first. This candle is a big, big bearish candle. Take out all the money that was here. Okay. Oh, yeah, we're going. Move away very, very quickly. Okay. That's what that is. People here, they bought on a retest, right? Look at this support. I don't trade support and resistance. You will learn this in the future. I don't trade support and resistance. This is support and resistance. Okay. Give you guys just a little bit of information here as what's to come. Okay. Now, if you look at this support, resistance, 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 resistance. Okay. What did price do? People say if it's under, use it as resistance and sell it. Well, guess what? Look at this momentum here, right? Price came up. Take out everybody who wanted to sell the market or buy the market here, move away really, really fast. People who wanted to sell the market, who are selling the market here, right? They say if price comes into resistance, you should sell it. Okay. People tried to sell the market here, move away very, very fast. Okay. So my point is that banks tend to step in where people tend to mess up. All right. Where people tend to where stop losses are planted, that's where the banks step in the market. I hope that hopefully this makes sense. And again, we're at the very, very basic level. I'm just talking to you about who controls the market. This has nothing to do with um, um, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, market structure, trend lines, strategies. This is session number one. All right, where there's a stop loss here, banks take it away, move away very fast. There were stop losses here. The bank stepped in the market, they moved away very, very fast. There were stop losses here. They moved away very, very fast. Okay. That's the same concept here. There were stop losses here. They stepped into the market and moved away very, very fast. Have not returned. Same thing here. And I guarantee you that this will come at some point. Okay. Same thing here, right? The guys here, the market moved away very, very fast. It's the same thing over and over again. Took the money. I was just gonna say they're gonna take some money out from over here. Look at all these highs over here. Okay, take their money out, move away very, very fast. Okay, so that is the gist of who's controlling this thing. And I'm on a daily time frame. Obviously, it's the same thing on a 4-hour time frame, just on a different scale, right? Look at this. Take their money out. There were stop losses here for everybody who thought the trade was going to go down to the ground. Take out, move away. Same thing here. All you thought it was just going to go down, take away, move away. And another tip here is when you're trading, you're a day trader. Um, Understand what time frame you're trading on. Understand that don't be greedy. Number one, don't be greedy. Make your money, get up out the market. If you're a swing trader, I mean, you'll be looking more on a daily time frame for setups, right? Now, you'll look for if I was, let's just say, for the sake of argument, they stepped in here, you got in over here, or you got in here. Swing trade, they're swinging back down, or swinging, they're swinging back up. There are different levels of that, but just the gist of how things are. I can go down even to the hour time frame and see the same things over and over and over again, showing you who controls the market here. Okay, you look at it here. There are stop losses here. Take them out, move away. Okay. There are stop losses here. Take them out, move away. It's the same thing over. There are stop losses here. We're just talking about the controlling of the market. That's all we're doing here. Just the controlling of the market. Same people here. Move away very fast. Move away very fast. Move away very fast. Move away, right? One way to actually practice this, okay? There's no need to actually draw this lesson here. There's no need. One of the ways to practice this is to draw it up for yourself and say to yourself, the market was moving in a bullish sentiment here, right? And every time price makes a new high, this is a higher low. But guess what's under here, right? There's money under here, meaning that there is stop losses under every low. It's always going to be liquidity here. Price goes like this, there's money sitting here. So draw it to where they would wipe their money out and move away very, very fast. That way you can teach yourself to see it. Okay. Then what you need to is go onto the charts and find where there's money and move away, right? Every time there's a high, price moves away very fast. Okay. There is move away very fast. And then you'll over time, I'll show you why price moves away very, very fast. And then I'll show you why what's causing it to do that. Okay. What's causing it to move away, take out money, move away fast. Right? Again, I'm on the hour time frame, right? Remember what I just said to you over here? Price made a high, higher low, and moved away. Move away very, very fast. Move away very, very fast. Okay. Same thing over and over and over again. Same thing here. Move away very, very fast. Move away fast. Okay. So practice that. You have to draw it. You have to say it to yourself, draw it down, and then go to the charts and look at it. Okay. As you begin to do it over and over and over again, and try not to actually skip levels, try not to jump all over the place, try not to do nothing too crazy. Just do this simple thing. Stay dialed into what is happening right now. That's it. Just stay dialed into that. All right. Don't try to do everything of learning the different highs, the different lows, the different complexity, the different moves in the market, the different. This is why a lot of people struggle in learning. Okay, this is one of the most important things to the struggle of learning anything is that people try to do too much. Learn one thing to two things at a time. Study it, learn it, grow it, on to the next. Okay, those are like clutch, clutch, clutch. So if I'm teaching you this, you just jump into the market and like, oh, I think I know how to trade. Degrees. All right, degrees. Session 2, lesson 2. Look out for it because I'm going to be giving some very, very extensive knowledge, some pricey knowledge, something that could be of benefit to everyone who's trading. So you guys have a great day. Remember that trading is time. It's your boy. Do like, do subscribe, follow your boy.